All right, hold on, everybody. Hold together. 10 seconds.
What's up, guys? Just wanted to come at you and show you a huge mod I put on the Jeep yesterday. Took about 10 hours to get the damn thing on. Was literally a nightmare. So I'm gonna take you around the Jeep and show you some stuff I've done. You guys see anything different with the front end? See anything different? Check it out, guys. Brand spanking new bumper with a 20-inch light bar. This thing was not easy to put on this, I'm telling you. See these right here, the tow hooks, and then I'm gonna get a winch to put there someday after I get a job and stuff like that. I had to wire the light in. It was pretty cool, huh, guys? Looks a whole lot better than that stock bumper, I think. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments. You like the bumper? I think it's pretty cool looking. I got some more stuff I gotta do, like I gotta replace the fog lights. That way they match the light bar up there, the same color, stuff like that. I also clay barred it with Adams Polish's Visco clay bar and put in Adams wax on it, the Americana wax. So check it out, look at this, guys. I mean, she looks good. You also notice I put the Texas Beach Bum stickers. Wax did an excellent job, man. Texas Beach Bum over here. I did have one to go over the windshield, but the letters were way too damn big. It covered half the windshield, guys, I'm telling you, man. And we just ain't gonna do that. Anyways, getting ready to get back here and edit this video and put it up, show you guys my newest mod. And gonna head out early in the morning out to Padre Island this time to try to catch some fish. Water looks pretty good for being as windy as it is. Somebody's got some bobbers out there. Wish I could get in that water and go get them damn things, because that's free tackle, man. If it didn't have the interior of my freaking Jeep clean, I could get out there and get them. So trying to set this camera up on a waxed Jeep, it keeps sliding. But look at this new lure I got, guys. Check it out. That's gonna bring in a monster fish in the morning, man. We're going to Padre Island National Seashore in the morning, and gonna get out there before the sun rises and see if we can bring in some monster fish. I'm having a really good time down here trying to find the fish. I know where I can catch fish, and that's always in the surf and on the jetties. Back behind me, you see this bay here? This is a totally different way of fishing right here. And I've never had any kind of luck whatsoever. So what do you guys think about my bumper, man? Put it down in the comments. Let me know what you think about my bumper. You guys will also know I'm wearing a little mic up here with a power pad or a power box. And then on top of the camera is a power box. So it's a wireless mic. My main camera is now running a wireless Rode link right here, which links up to this, which is on my waist down here. See that, guys? And then up here. So that should take care of the wind issues I've been having down here at the coast. I'm gonna show you guys something, one of the reasons why I got this wireless mic. Especially when you're fishing, guys. When you're fishing, you're gonna be away from the camera a while. But check this out, you can still hear me. You can still hear me. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Audio check 1, 2, 3. How's the audio, guys? Pretty cool, huh? It's pretty badass. So we're gonna walk down here and I'll show you what I mean. How's the audio, guys? I'm like 30 feet away. How's the audio? 40 feet, 50 feet. End of the pier, how's the audio? All right. So you guys can see exactly why I got this mic set up, because when you're fishing, I don't want to be strapped to a camera all the time. So I can put this camera on a tripod and you guys can watch me fish. The only thing I gotta worry about is I gotta figure out how to keep the wind from knocking over the tripod, because you guys know cameras are expensive. I don't want it to hit the jetty. I don't want it to fall in the water. So we gotta figure that out next. Pretty sweet, guys. Pretty sweet bumper there, huh? Check it out. Pretty cool. And what I did, guys, is I wired it to the battery, and then I wired it through here, took this off, wired it through the door, and then it comes out right here where you can see this switch. Boom, it's on when it goes green. It's gonna be pretty cool out there when I'm fishing, so I can see what's in front of me and stuff like that before it gets daylight. Like I said, guys, that was a nightmare putting that bumper on, man. It took me, I swear to God, it took me 10 hours. If I would have had the correct tools, it probably would only take me about 2 or 3 hours to do it. But I had so much issues, I don't even want to go into it. This thing was not built correctly. The studs should have been welded onto the bumper, but they weren't. You had to use these little plastic things to keep the bolts from going in when you were putting them on there, and they weren't straight. The bolts, there was 2 prongs, it wasn't straight, so I had to bend them back in shape, and I'm telling you, it was a nightmare. I got done about 11 o'clock last night, and I am wore out from that.
I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Gave her everything, just shot of the world. Couldn't get a grip every time I tried to hold on, I slipped deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with her drum breaks. She keep me safe from the gunplay when I'm hungry. She feed my soul.
He's a big one. Look at that shine, guys. Look at that freaking shine on this Jeep, man. Unbelievable. It looks so freaking good. I'm gonna get it so dirty tomorrow. It looks really good with that bumper. It really does. It looks mean, tough now, like a Jeep. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Hit that like button or dislike button, whichever one you prefer, and we will see you next video. Peace, guys.
Special for me. You got what I want, you got what I need. Yeah. You say that you don't wanna leave me. Yeah. I need your vibration. It's all that I want. Yeah. It's all that I need. You got me wanna crazy without you. It's feel like wine with a Sunday brunch. Can I shine? Feel like everything might turn out just alright. I know I'm lying to myself. Pardon my wishful thinking. Still fly from head to trinkets. Afraid of blinking. Can't even miss a second of the blessings. I'm living messy. Like every minute is a gift. It's a pleasure. Let's get together. Let's spin us a smooth forever. Wait, pick up your mood. I know I lack the direction. Skipped on class and a lecture. Busy trying to get it together. Something clever. My notes are tethered to the reckless behaviors with good intentions. Smolder incense. Good riddance to negative energy. Let peace, love, and serenity spill for me. None as ill as me. Truth be told, barely real as me. How I let feelings loose on loose leaf. Murder the goose beat. Shout to Mills on the cool keys. Ooh, she's feel like a cool breeze.